Yeah, we are live. Welcome, Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses, even when it's so cold here. In Iceland. So, are you ready? Today, cross up 5. See for yourself. Cha-ching. Let's go. Pa, 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 pa. Again. Da, 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 da. Last time. Da, 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 da. Let's do it. Pretty simple, but pretty good move. Cha-ching. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. This is a slow move. Let's go. Cross with the left and up. Now cross with the right and up. Yes, pretty easy. Again, cross with the left and up. Cross with the right and up. Once again. 1, 3, 5, 7. It can be also 1, 3, 1, 3. Last time. 1, 3, 1, 3. Amazing. Yeah, this is a pretty simple move. Cross down 5. And here I remind you, this is Marcus Body coding. We code universal moves. Why universal? Yeah, amazing question. Universal because you can use them cha-ching in any style that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, whatever style that you want. Wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Now I want to see you. Let's start with the left. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Okay, staring in a mirror, yeah. Checking up everything. Amazing. Let's go together, starting with the left. Let's go. With the left, cross, tap with the right, cross with the right, tap with the left. Again, 1, 3, 1, 3. You can know the shoulders. Let's do it again. 1, 3, 1, 3. You can add the chest as well. 1, 3, 1, 3. Last time. Cross, tap, cross, tap, cross, tap, cross, tap. Yeah, I do that until I see you. Yeah, in the phone. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. I cannot believe that you stay with me till now in this amazing morning in Iceland. There's just the sunrise. Yeah, do you see the sunrise? Yeah, it's over there. Well, since you stay with me till now, I have a bonus for you. Yeah, for you. The bonus is you can practice with me this move with me in the studio for free anytime you want. How do you do that? Check the link above, below, or wherever it might be. Yeah, and meet me in the studio on YouTube, full tutorial, cross tab 5. And make sure to do this move today. Yeah, today, properly in today's body. But why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. Remember, Marcus Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. So, see you tomorrow or see you tomorrow. What do you prefer? I think tomorrow. What do you think? Okay, great choice. So, see you tomorrow.